allegiance to the flag of the United States of America.
The names and faces may change every couple of years,
One nation, under God.
but every meeting of the Union County Fiscal Court begins the same way.
Is there a motion to approve the minutes?
So moved.
The 5 magistrates and judge executive weave through legal issues,
The 911.
draft resolutions,
The terms of this ordinance.
and ratify agreements.
Is there a motion to approve?
By law, the court is required to conduct its business in public meetings with open doors.
All in favor? Opposed? Thank you.
But there is much to suggest that's not always the case.
Access to information concerning the people's business is a fundamental and necessary right of every citizen.
The Kentucky Attorney General's office provides this video to all elected officials in the Commonwealth to educate them on the state's open meetings and open records laws.
But keeping secrets undermines the public trust. And undermining the public trust is not the theory our government was based on when it was founded more than 200 years ago.
Who decides when it's able to?
The video covers what constitutes an open meeting and what constitutes a closed meeting, also known as an executive session. According to the law, fiscal court meetings have to remain public, but there is a small list of exceptions.
I wasn't even aware of.
A public agency can only go into executive session to discuss matters like collective bargaining, pending litigation, or employee discipline.
A public agency may go into executive session only after a motion citing the specific reason for the session is made, seconded, and passed. The law recognizes 14 subjects that may be discussed without the public or media present. In other words, public agencies cannot go into executive session very often.
Research done by Eyewitness News suggests that's not the case in Union County. Eyewitness News combed through the minutes of fiscal court meetings available on the county's website from July 2011 to the present. On the county's website, the fiscal court has minutes from 107 meetings in the last 4.5 years. In those meetings, the fiscal court has entered into 51 closed-door executive sessions. Nearly 50% of the time, the Union County Fiscal Court turns part of a public meeting into a non-public meeting. From July 2011 through the end of the year, the Fiscal Court had 5 executive sessions out of the 12 total meetings. In the year 2012, the Fiscal Court met 25 times and had 11 closed-door sessions. In 2013, they had 14 executive sessions out of the 22 meetings. Out of the 27 meetings in 2014, there were 14 executive sessions. Ever since Eyewitness News broke the stolen equipment scandal, we have attended nearly every single fiscal court meeting.
Is there a motion to go into executive session for
So moved.
litigation?
I'm making a motion, we go into the executive session to discuss purchase of property and also personnel.
7 times the old wooden doors were pulled shut for executive sessions, but there were occasions where the court seemingly had no idea how to properly go into a closed-door session.
Judge, I would request if we could go into executive session to discuss potential litigation. It won't take long. I just want
Okay.
We do some personnel also.
Personnel.
Yeah. Do we have to state what statute, part of it? Except for what part for personnel?
Just personnel. I don't think we have to.
I don't think we can just talk about personnel in general. It has to be something specific.
specific reason.
Yes.
Application said they've gone over.
After Eyewitness News raised issue with how the fiscal court was entering into executive sessions,
Come into open session.
the fiscal court began to do it properly.
Judge, we have executive session.
Yeah. I'd like for a motion to go into executive session citing 61.810 exceptions to open meetings for the Section 1, subsection F, discussions or hearings which might lead to the appointment, discipline, or dismissal of an individual county employee.
Whether it's a city, county, state, or federal government, there are a series of checks and balances. It's part of a democracy.
All opposed?
But further analysis shows the Union County Fiscal Court overwhelmingly passes things unanimously.
District 1,
Yes.
District 2,
Yes.
District 3,
Yes.
District 4,
Yes.
District 5,
Yes.
Judge Executive Jody Jenkins.
Yes.
According to the meeting minutes, since July 11, 2011, the magistrates and judge executive have not voted unanimously 4 times. 4 nay votes in 4.5 years. One of them happened on October 13th of this year.
Magistrate Clements,
Yes.
Magistrate Voss,
No.
Another happened on November 10th.
All in favor, signify by saying aye. Opposed?
No.
4 nay votes since the summer of 2011. For the Union County Fiscal Court, the names and faces may change every couple of years, but our analysis shows nearly half the time the doors to an open meeting will close.